time for another install, and today we will be doing my headlights. Finally, I'm finally going to be installing these piece of shit headlights. Now you're probably wondering, Philip, why are you calling your headlights, your new headlights, pieces of shit? Well, because they are. I would much rather have my OEM projectors. However, I bought those so I can still drive my car and have it be functional while I send those off to get retrofitted. So I thought about getting those other spec D headlights, the one with the DRL, that, you know, the swoopy looking thing, but everyone has them and I didn't feel like rocking what everyone else has. So I found those lights on eBay, and I actually bought those pretty much right when they came out. Only maybe a handful of I saw people actually had them. Now a little more people have them. I kind of wish I would have installed them then, but I just been sitting on them for a few months now because I didn't want to do it. But now that I am taking the leap, hopefully here in a couple weeks of sending those headlights off, I'm gonna wait to see if the website that I'm sending them to, if they do any discounts or coupons or whatever for Christmas coming up. So I'm trying to, you know, save as much money as I can. But I'm just gonna put them on anyways, because if I don't do it now, I'm never gonna do it. So let's get to it. I'm just gonna take the bumper off and those front headlights. I'm gonna take them off. I'm not gonna show it because it's not worth showing, but we'll jump to that point, well, for you guys in a second. All right, got the old headlights taken out. They're sitting over here, that one and that one. Now we're going to swap the HID from that one over to this one. And it's pretty simple. There's videos, how-to videos online on how to do it. I actually had to look it up because I was pretty confused at first, but after looking it up, it's super simple and easy. I'll link a video in the description if you guys want to head to that to check it out, if you were wanting to do it. But I'm just gonna get to it now, swap them all over and reinstall. Well guys, this is how they look. It's not bolted in yet, but I would actually love it if it wasn't for that. So before I fully install these, I'm gonna take these back out. I'm gonna see if I can look in like some switchback LEDs maybe, where it'll shine white, but then when it senses a turn signal, it'll blink, you know, amber or something. I'm gonna look into it. Or if anything, I might just put a white bulb in there, just say F it. I don't know. I'll turn the lights off. Show you guys what they look like at night. It's gonna be pretty freaking dark in here, hold on. All right. So here's how they look pretty much in the full dark. Then I'll turn on regular lights. Pretty bright. Really nice cutoff, you can see it from right there. Oh shit, that's bright. Yep. Looks kind of nice. And I do have the fog lights on right there as well. Not bad. Might not even run with the fog lights on, honestly. Turn those off. I probably just won't even run with those on because it's not a matching color. I guess not terrible. But yeah, I'm gonna look into that bulb right there. But anyways, I guess that's the install. You know, I don't hate them actually. Now that they're on the car, I honestly don't hate it. But I don't fully like it either. Maybe once I switch that bulb out, we'll see. I'm gonna look into that. But hope you guys liked that quick video. I would do a full reveal and install the other side, but like I said, I'm gonna look into that bulb down there to see if I can swap that out, and then I'll do a full reveal video of how it looks and all that. But hope you guys like that install for the most part, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.
Didn't even get to bronze.